myself Jyotsna. I am from Mary Day Scholars. Today my detailed topic is normal distribution. Here one of the example in normal distribution is mean and standard deviation. From the above diagram, the value of x is represents the number. The value of u is represents the mean value. The value of sigma is represents the standard deviation. From the above diagram, the value of x is 35. We can formula on that of the normal distribution is that equals to x minus mu is sigma. The values are substituted in the given represents values. You can find the z1 and the another value of x is 63, and then you can substitute the formula in the given values is z2. From the above figure we get that z1 value is 1.48 and z2 value is 1.23. We can solve the 1 and 2 equations. We can find the values of given sum is minus 1.48 and the equation from equation to 6 1.23 from the tables. From these given values are taken from the tables, and from the 1 and 2 equations we can find the sigma value is 10.332. From this diagram represents the sigma values. You can find the sigma value is 10.332 and the sigma value is from above the tables 1.48 divided into u value is minus 15.3 and the sigma value and mu value addition is 50.3 and the weight total, the sum of the variance is sigma square equals to 106.75.